and put themselves at peril. Don't make their situation worse. Don't infect yourself or infect someone else so their situation becomes more dangerous. Just to put a perspective on this, 9/11, which so many of us lived through in this state and in this nation, 2,753 lives lost. This crisis, we've lost 6,268 New Yorkers. I'm going to direct all flags to be flown at half-mast in honor of those who we have lost to this virus. Big question from everyone, from my daughters, I'm sure around most people's dinner table. When will things go back to the way they were? I don't think it's about going back. I don't think it's ever about going back. I think the question is always about going forward. And that's what we have to deal with here. It's about learning from what we've experienced, and it's about growing, and it's about moving forward. Well, when will we return to normal? I don't think we return to normal. I don't think we return to yesterday, where we